Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to be preparing the iPad for remote software updates. Now, what that means is when there's a software update for the restaurant application, I can actually send that to your iPads remotely and update them without having to have too much interaction with anybody from your restaurant. So once you're in the restaurant application, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the home button. Now, on some machines, you'll have that home button. On some machines, you'll have to swipe up from the very bottom of the screen to get into the home screen. Here we are in the home screen. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to locate your settings application. Settings. There we go. Now we're in settings. What we're going to do is we're going to assure at this point that the iPad is ready to accept these updates. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to General, as we are now. We're going to go to About. Scroll all the way down to Certificate Trust Settings. If there's any switches or anything here that is on or off, just go ahead and make sure that those switches here are turned off. Here we have nothing. We went back, and we're going to go back one more time. Scroll up until you see VPN Device Management. Click on that. And if you see any occurrences of anything that says profiles in here, you can remove those by highlighting on to the application and hitting remove. Okay. We are clean and ready for the installation of the remote software update. Hit the home button again, and then what you're going to do is go to Safari. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to go to mdmhts.com. Hit go. And there you are. The first one here is called the Trust Profile. This one must be done first. Hit download. And then hit download anyway. This file has now, well, it will now be installed as a profile. Then you hit close. Then you hit the home button. We're going to go back to settings. As you see here, underneath where it says HTS Inc. on the left side, you see profile downloaded. Click on profile downloaded. Hit install. Hit install again. And install again. Okay, that first one is done. Now, what we have to do is actually activate that profile. So, just tap on the blue area where it says General. Tap on there. It takes you back. Let's go to, we're going to go to About. There you go. Now, where we were before, Certificate Trust Settings. Turn those switches right there on. Continue and continue. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Safari. We are going to go back to where we initially went, which was mdmhts.com. We've already done the trust profile. Now we do the enrollment profile. Hit download and then download anyway. Allow. Close. Same process. Go back to settings. And as you see here, it says profile downloaded. Profile downloaded. Install. And then install again and trust. That's it. That's all you need to do. When you see these two there, these two mobile device management says remote management and configuration profile where it says trust profile. That's it. You hit the home button and then just go back into restaurant.